Welcome, class 10th students. Today we will discuss the exercise number 8.3. Evaluate. Say this one. Sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. I would like to evaluate. Evaluate means I would like to find the value. Sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Say, say sine 18 degree can be written as, like say this one, 90 degree minus 72 degree. 90 minus 72 equal to 18 upon cos 72 degree. Now, since we know the formula, since sine 90 degree minus a equal to sine cos a. So this will be equal to what? Cos 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree. So it will come out, the both are cancel out, we say 1. The value is 1. Now, part 2. We see here the tan 26 degree cot 64 degree. The question is this one, tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. See, tan 26 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 64 degree divided by cot 64 degree. This can be written, say tan 90 minus a, since we know that tan 90 degree minus a equal to cot a. So this will be equal to what? Cot 64 degree divided by cot 64 degree. That will be equal to 1. See the question number 3. Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. And we have to find out its value. I would like to find out the value of this one, the cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Cos 48 degree can be written as cos 90 minus 90 degree minus 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. Now we know very well, since we know cos 90 degree minus a equal to sine a. So this will be, you can say, sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. Say this comes out 0. The fourth part, cosec, we want to evaluate the value of this fourth function, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. You see, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Cosec 31 degree can be written as cosec 90 degree minus 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. Since you know very well, cosec 90 degree minus a equal to sec a. So using this formula, we write down here the sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. This will come out 0. This is the answer of the fourth part. Now look the question number 2. So that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 67 degree equal to 1. So start with the left hand side. We start We write down here the left hand side, and we see in the left hand side we see tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, and tan 67 degree. See, first one, tan 48 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 42. Say 90 minus 42 equal to, 90. 42 and 48, 50 for 90. Or you see, tan 23 degree can be written as, I say, leave it tan 23 as it is, better. Tan 23 degree. Tan 42 degree, okay, no problem. Tan 67 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 23 degree. Now this should be equal to what? Tan 90 degree minus 40 degree. Since we know the formulas, what we know, tan 90 degree minus A equal to cot A. Using this formula, we are getting tan 42 degree, not tan 42 degree, this will comes out cot. This is cot 42 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, and cot 23 degree. Now, we know that here formulas are that you see this one, you can write down the 42 together, tan 42 degree, or you can say cot 40 or tan 42 degree. Okay. Now we have tan 22 3 degree, cot 23 degree. To make the combinations of this pair. Since we know tan A cot A equal to 1, tan A cot A equal to 1. So this will equal to what? 1 into 1 will comes out 1. Now, part 2. Part 2 says what? Cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree, sin 52 degree equal to 0. We have to prove this one. Starting from the left hand side. Start from the left hand side. Cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree, sin 52 degree. Cos 38 degree can be written as, you can say, cos of 90 degree minus 52 degree, and this is cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree can be written as sin 90 degree minus 52 degree, sin 52 degree. Since we know cos 90 degree minus A equal to cos A, and sin 90 degree minus A equal to sin A. So we are putting this value, cos 90 degree minus A, you can say cos 52 degree, not the cos, this become the, so not this formulas, I have put the formulas wrong. Cos 90 degree minus A equal to sin A, and sin 90 degree minus A equal to, cos A. So apply this formula, cos 90 degree, this is sine 52 degree into cos 52 degree minus sine, you see this one, cos 52 degree sine 52 degree. These two terms are same. This is a product of sine 52 degree and cos 52 degrees. With the minus sign are coming 0. Now, question number 3. If tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of angle A. So in this question, you see this tan 2a is given, 2a is a acute angle. Fine. Find the value of A. So cot A minus 18 degrees are given to here, and this tan 2A is. So say 2A is a acute angle, since 2A is an acute angle. So we know that here it can be written as tan 2A can be written as cot 90 degree minus 2A. Since you know cot 90 degree minus A equal to tan A. So we see that here tan 2A will become, it is written as cot 90 degree minus 2A. So the question becomes cot 90 degree minus 2A equal to cot A minus 18 degree. Since both are the cot functions, so both these cot functions are equal. So implies that their angle is also equal. So 90 degree minus 2A must be equal to A minus 18 degree. So taking the terms, A terms the left hand side and angle terms the right hand side, minus 2A minus A equal to minus 18 degree minus 90 degree. So you see minus 3A can be equal to minus 108 degree. Implies that A equal to 108 degree divided by 3. We see 3 and 36. So this will comes out 36 degree. The value of A is a 36 degree. Now, question number 4. If tan A equal to cot B, prove that A plus B equal to 90 degree. Okay, fine. Since you know that tan A equal to cot 90 degree minus A. So we apply this formula, we are getting here this cot 90 degree minus A equal to cot B. Since both cot functions are equal, so their angle is also equal. 90 degree minus A equal to B. Implies that A plus B equal to 90 degree. Proved. Now see this question number 5. If sec 4A equal to cosec A minus 20 degree, where 4A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Since A is a 4A is an acute angle is there, you know the formula very well, that sec A equal to what? Cosec 90 degree minus A, where A is the acute angle. So here sec 4A will be becomes what? Sec 90 degree minus 4A equal to, not second, that side, what is the question is that? Question says sec 4a equal to cos sec a minus 20 degree. So sec 4a can be written as, because 4a is an acute angle, it is given that 4a is an acute angle. So I write down here cosec 90 degree minus 4a equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. So since their angles are equal, so naturally their cosine functions are equal, so their angle is also equal. So 90 degree minus 4a will be equal to a minus 20 degree. So all this one you see that's one taking a one side minus 5a equal to minus 20 degree minus 90 degree, or you can say minus 110 degree. So implies that what a equal to minus 110 degree divided by minus 5. This will comes out to 22 degree. So angle A is a 22 degree. Now, question number 6. If ABC are interior angle of a triangle ABC, then so that sine B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Okay. ABC are the interior angle of a triangle. Since we know that if the sum of angle sum property, the angle sum property of triangle, that sum of all the interior angle will be equal to 180 degree. We know that. This is a angle sum property of a triangle, that sum of all the interior angle will be equal to 180 degree. Now we have to prove this one. Starting from the left hand side, we say sine B plus C by 2. Okay. Say B plus C, you know, from these equations can be written as sine 180 degree minus A by 2. We replace the B plus C by 180 degree minus A. All right. And we see this one divided by 2, separate the terms. So it will come out sine 90 degree minus A by 2. Since A is a acute angle is there, no doubt. This is A by 2. And what I see that since no angle can be more than 180 degree. So A by 2 is an acute angle. So A is an acute angle. Since in a triangle, no angle can be more than 180 degree. Always less than 180 degree. So A by 2 is an acute angle. So since 90 degree minus A by 2 can be written as cos A by 2. So proved. Now, question number 7. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, this angle 67 degree is more than angle. Now we want to make the angle that lie in the range of 0 degree and 45 degree between. Sine 67 degrees are here, so I can write down here this one sine 90 degree minus, you see 23 make it 90 plus cos 75 degree can be written as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Since we know cos 90 minus A equal to sine A, and sine 90 degree minus A equal to cos A, if A is the acute angle. So this will say, now here the A is acute angle, 23 degree and 15 degree, both are acute angle. So this will be equal to what? Cos 23 degree plus sine 15 degree. So this is the answer. And that's we are looking, the angle is now lying in the range of 0 degree and 45 degree. So this is the end of this chapter. I hope you understand.